In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero network key in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while, finding your Xero network key is a vital step to ensuring smooth, streamlined operations with your business's financial transactions across the Xero platform. So, let's dive in and simplify this process together. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Xero website. It's straightforward to find. Just type Xero into your favorite search engine and it should come up as one of the top results. Once you're on the website, you'll notice various options and features, but for now, our focus lies in accessing your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring you to the login page, a crucial step to getting inside your account where all the magic happens. Now, it's time to input your credentials, that is, the email and password associated with your Xero account. Fill these in carefully to avoid any typos that could keep you from logging in successfully. After entering your details, click on the login button to access your dashboard. This dashboard is the control center of your Xero account, offering a broad overview of your financial situation and quick access to various tools and settings. Our next destination within this hub of financial activity is the Your Organization section. You might see your company's name here. Just click on it to proceed. This link takes you deeper into the settings and configurations specific to your organization, one step closer to finding that network key. Once you're in your organization settings, look for a button or a link labeled Settings, as this should be visible and straightforward to locate. Clicking here will open up a new layer of settings specific to your organizational operations within Xero. Our journey is nearing its crucial point. Inside the settings menu, you'll be hunting for an option labeled 0 to 0. This quaintly named feature is actually your gateway to inter-organizational transactions and connections within the Xero ecosystem. By selecting 0 to 0, you're now at the doorstep of the treasure we've been seeking. And here we are, at the final step of our process. You should now see your Xero network key, represented as a string of characters. This unique identifier is what allows your business to securely connect and transact with other entities on Xero. Locate the copy button next to your network key. You're going to need this key, so by pressing copy, you can easily save it to your clipboard, ensuring you're ready to paste and use it wherever it's required. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've navigated the depths of the Xero platform to find your network key. A small but mighty cog in the machine that keeps your financial operations running smoothly. A little pro tip before we wrap up: always keep your network key secure and only share it with trusted partners and entities. This key acts much like a password, offering access to parts of your financial infrastructure, so its safety is paramount. Finding your Xero network key is just the beginning of what you can accomplish with this robust financial platform. I hope this guide has illuminated the process for you, and perhaps even demystified a bit of the platform's inner workings. Remember, whether you're reconciling transactions, setting up connections with new business partners, or just doing a bit of financial housekeeping, Xero offers a slew of features designed to streamline and simplify. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any more questions about Xero, or there's another topic you'd like me to cover, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, keep navigating your financial journey with confidence and clarity.